Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make condensed milk. Here are the few ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 cup of powdered milk, half cup of sugar, and a tablespoon of butter. Transfer all the dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. Stir together until it is well combined. After mixing the dry ingredients together, I'll be adding to it 1 cup of hot water. After mixing it and it is well combined, I will add to it 1 tablespoon of butter, then mix together. Transfer to a cooking pot. Take to the stove top and begin to cook. There are 2 ways to do this. Either you are cooking on a stove top or transfer to a blender and blend on a high speed for about 2 minutes. If you are using a blender for this, reduce the quantity of water to ½ cup. Cook on a stove top and stir continuously to avoid burnt beneath, and cook on a very low heat. The idea is to reduce the water by half, and also for the ingredients to be well combined. Cook until it is thickened up, then turn off the heat. Ensure not to cook it too thick. By the time it gets cold, it thickens up more. After cooking and I've gotten my desired consistency, transfer into an airtight container. Then you have your condensed milk. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to click on the like button and share this with your loved ones. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time. See you again in my next video.